Hello friends, welcome back to another CapCut video editing tutorial. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a stunning photo or video frame for your shorts or reels using CapCut. It is super easy and I will walk you through some simple tricks to help you make eye-catching video frames in no time. I have already imported a vertical video and a few solid color images. You can also use a widescreen video. Just make sure to resize and adjust it to fit your layout properly. Make sure to set your screen layout to vertical for better visibility and editing control. I have added the video to the timeline. First, I want to set a blurred background. To do that, I changed the canvas type to blur. You will see 4 blur style options. You can choose any one of them based on your preference. To make the blurred background visible, you need to either reduce the scale value of your video or use a mask. In this case, I have simply reduced the scale value to the minimum, so the blur appears in the background. Next, add a solid color image to the timeline. Adjust its duration so it matches the length of your video. Then increase the scale value of the solid color image so it completely covers the screen. Now go to the mask section and choose the rectangle mask. Adjust its size and position as needed. Set the round corners value to 20 to give it a smooth edge. Next, add the same video again on the video track above. Reduce the scale of the video and position it so the main subject stays centered on the screen. Go to the mask section again. Select the rectangle mask and adjust its size and position so the video fits inside the white background. This will create a clean white border around your video. Set the round corners value to 20 to give it a smooth edge. If you want a softer edge, you can also increase the feather value. And if you would like to change the border color, simply replace the solid color image with any other color of your choice. Now let's try adding some effects to the video. Go to the Effects tab. From here, you can choose any effect that best fits your video style. To apply an effect, simply drag it and drop it directly onto your video clip in the timeline. You can also adjust the effect settings to match your look and feel. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.